we start our exploration of Rethymno along the stunning boulevard towards the Old Town. The first place we'll visit is the beautiful Venetian harbour. This harbour was developed during the Venetian rule of Crete between 1212 and 1669. Rethymno's harbour was built to accommodate small merchant vessels, with the Venetians constructing warehouses and fortifications around it. During this time, the harbour became a vital link between Crete and the rest of the Venetian Republic. In the 19th century, during the late Ottoman period, the lighthouse was rebuilt to look like a traditional Egyptian-style design, probably influenced by the brief Egyptian rule over Crete between 1830 and 1840. This distinctive cylindrical stone structure is what you can see today as a historical landmark. You can also get a great view of the harbour and all its taverns and cafes from here. We then head along the harbour and coastline to arrive at the fortress of Rethymno. This fortezza was constructed by the Venetians between 1573 and 1580 as part of their efforts to fortify Crete against Ottoman threats. After a really bad pirate raid in 1571 and the Ottomans getting stronger in the eastern Mediterranean, the Venetians decided to build a strong defensive structure to protect the city of Rethymno and its inhabitants. In 1646, during the Cretan War, the Ottomans captured Rethymno and took control of the fortezza. They changed a lot of the buildings to fit their Islamic needs, including turning the Venetian Church of St. Nicholas into the Sultan Ibrahim Mosque, which is still there today. Now, the fortezza is a symbol of Rethymno's history and a popular tourist attraction. What is it with the cats? Rethymno and the entire island of Crete is a heavenly haven for these majestic animals. These will pop up regularly in our videos. Okay, it's about time we explored the Old Town. The Old Town is a mix of Venetian and Ottoman architecture, with narrow, winding streets designed to confuse pirates and invaders. It's great for getting lost while exploring some of its highlights. The Guora Gate, this is the only surviving gate of the Venetian city walls, and it's the main entrance to the Old Town. Walking through it feels like stepping back in time. The Rimondi Fountain, built in 1626 by Venetian governor Rimondi, the fountain has 3 lion heads spouting water. It's a popular spot for photos and for cooling down on a hot day. It's also got loads of bakeries and shops selling bugazza, a creamy pastry, and raccamello, raki with honey. Time to sample the local cuisine and take a well-deserved break. The Neratze Mosque is a historic building with a rich past. Originally built as a Venetian monastery dedicated to Santa Maria in the 16th century, it was converted into a mosque during the Ottoman period. It's well known for its huge dome and tall, striking minaret, which is the highest in Rethymno. The Municipal Garden is a lovely green space right in the center of town. Set up at the start of the 20th century, it's a peaceful place to get away from the busy city center. The Church of the Four Martyrs is a well-known Orthodox Christian church, and it's dedicated to 4 local martyrs, Angelos, Manuel, Georgios, and Nikolaos, who were killed for their faith during the Ottoman period in 1824. The church was built in a Neo-Byzantine architectural style and is a significant spiritual and historical landmark in the city. Now, we're going to retrace our steps and first pass by the marina, where we'll see Rethymno's city symbol. The Two Dolphins statue in the harbour of Rethymno is a well-known landmark symbolising the city's connection to the sea. The sculpture shows two dolphins playing together, which reflects the island's lively sea life and maritime history. We wrap up our first day in Crete by taking in the stunning coastline and the rolling waves that kept time like a metronome. Tomorrow, we're planning to check out one of the gorgeous gorges this island has to offer. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel.